Apprentice. On the Amiga, you see no infinite lives, no trainer start, but we use our second button to jump, because I'm using an arcade stick. Showing it off as always, Rainbow Arts, yeah, not Electronic Arts. This game has a really funny way of how it plays. So let's see how far we can come by just learning the game. This is the first run, we're learning the game right now. You can pick him up by pressing down, and you press him as well by pressing down. You use these as a weapon. So for example, I say, oh, I don't like those. I just have to hit him from above. Oh. What? Why is he shooting to the right? There we go. To the left. Why did that hedgehog explode? Well, throwing crates on a hedgehog. Have you ever tried that in real life, Pauli? If you haven't, you might want to check that out. Not suggesting though, but you know, you might want to try that out. Everything explodes basically if you throw crates at it. This game has some nice mood and a nice animation. I love it. The game is very loving. And you can also do this. That's also a pro strat. Okay, let's check out the shop. So... okay, we got money, but we cannot really buy anything with the amount of money we have now. For real, have the guys never seen hedgehogs exploding? The game starts off easy, by the way, as well, as you can see. So now we got no weapon, by the way. So let's make a jump for a weapon then. Oh, wait. Let's see what's up there first. Oh, okay. Yeah, give me all that. Oh, and an extra life? Oh, no, it wasn't an extra life, it was something else. But it was something. I'm not gonna let you guys run this show. There we go. Up and jump. Yep, you don't ever, you don't want to ever again. I'm not just kidding. Rah. Nice one though, Step. Ah, the music. That's nostalgia for me. Played this when I was like 3 years old or something. So tomorrow there's gonna be 30 years since I played this game for the first time. Can you imagine that? Whoa, he's very conscious. He's a very conscious mushroom. Not anymore. Why do I get the feeling that whoever made this running animation has never seen another person run? Hey, it's been the early 80s. Cut it some slack, Pauli. They did hit different the early 80s, you know? Oh, that was sniped. And the music is banging, that's what's most important. Come on. Room first it is, huh? Okay, now let's see if we can snipe the spiders or if they're in wall. Oh yeah, easy. Kick it, milk it. It's like he's skiing, but backwards. But there we go. Whatever that was, it was. Let's decimate the critter population here. Let's check out what the game got in store for us. Oh. Is that the exit or some kind of thing? Okay, kicking my stuff around. I'm gonna teach you guys. Oh wait, don't we have... Oh yeah, if we press space we can go into little mode. But it takes down time. You can see it on the little candle there. And now we wait till time runs out, I think. And the toggle will stay that way. Let go! What's good, Flo? Welcome. Okay, we have to let the time run out. Picking my stuff I used to hit with you. How freaking dare you? There we go. But let's check out the lower parts of the stage first. Oh, that's the exit. Dude. Then I'm seriously interested in what's above us. Like we've seen before, that there's something we can go to. Like this other door. Secret switch down in cave might create doors. Might create doors. So it should have created a door somewhere. Should we explore it, guys? I think we should. We got a weapon, so we should be fine. Oh wait, I think we can also place it down. We just... yeah. Might just create doors. And we have the hidden switch. We toggled it, so... Let's see if it created a door in this level, if we were just pranked. Magic Jacoby coming out. You've been pranked, bro. Welcome to Scarred, bro. Scarred for life, bro. Uh-huh. See, that's new. Might create doors. Created a door. Explore that cave. We already did. Oh, what's now? Just like some... Why are we here now? Why are we? Why are we pressing buttons? I'm getting cat swipes from this thing here. But we got bombs now. And we get bombs. Bomb dropping birds. Let me tell you what. We check out the shop. Social experiment. Oh, we got the spring shoes for free. I don't know what the leaf does. And I don't know what the old guy does. So let's get those. Beep, 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 beep. There we go. Oh, no, no, no. Okay. Oh, wow, that was not very nice, was it? And we cannot go in here. Okay. Okay, they're spawning a lot of these, so... Questions, can we jump on those clouds? Oh yeah, we can. Okay, but the question is, how do we continue on from here? Can we jump on these? Ah! Okay, good, we were patient. Let's hope this is the right one, because if not, we're gonna die for sure. Okay, so it's more like a... We gotta stick through it and see where it will take us. There we go. Oh, nice. Okay, whatever this level was, it was. Scarred. Scarred. Oh. Nice music again. This game has some bangers. Ah. We gotta collect all of these to get the score the other said. Bruh! He kicked our box. This was one life lost already. So it's fair to say that those brooms are not the nicest of enemies, are they? Okay, that was close. Well, at the same time, it was okay. Double up. I would be interested to know what these wizard. Oh, the balloon is nice as far as I remember. I'm really interested in what does this thing do. Let's just get it. Oh, you don't do it to me again. Okay, there's gotta be a hidden switch. Oh. Oh, and there's a secret one. Nice. Oh, we got one of those leaves. So we're gonna find out what they do. So, you know what? Better safe than sorry. Working out, bro. Good music again. I do have a feeling that doing this. Ah, look at it. Uh-oh. Sorry, bro. Nothing personal. We're already world 19, it seems. Oh, he was a big fella. Okay. Beep. Bum bum ba-dum bum. The music is very iconic, but I don't know where I know it from. It's interesting even that you would know it from somewhere, because I only heard it in this game. Oh yeah. Now we know what's up. Where's the broom, huh? You want a front? Come up front, bro. Aha. Always take the first shot. That's a secret. Nice way of hiding it. I love how we had like strawberries or cherries in the first stage, and now the game's all like, hey, I don't know if you know, but you can just totally go and you know, do your own thing and get grapes. Okay, what's in there? Heavy load can break beams. And that's a tip if I've ever seen one. Oh, okay. Okay, heavy load can break beams. And I think this... Is this being considered a beam? Ooh, okay. Okay, that's bad then, because we want to have it. Okay, that's good then. Oh no, it's all good. We can just go here any way we want it. There was one more. Okay, yeah, we can just go over here. Very good. Always bring a spare crate. That's like the golden rule of this game. We're talking about 416 being the former world record. Oh. You know what? It's okay. Can you take care of that broom? Ah! Bruh. Got him. Let's check if that's counting as a beam and if that will be heavy load. No. Well, we try. There we go. Goodbye, Deutschland. We got the key. Oh, okay. Oh, we go again for the straw. I guess it's strawberries. Don't nail me. Don't nail me with that, but no, looks like it. Okay. We have to wait for the third one to just do its thing. There we go. Well, we got a lot of bombs and we never tried those. We're gonna figure out what they're good for. What? Okay, now we know. You can jump off of these. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, what? Why can't we stay on it though? Do we need to jump along when it touch? Ah, I think because we touch the crate and the crate counts as a hitbox. There we go. Mystery solved. Ah, yeah, there we go. But wasn't there like a second platform? Yeah, there was. Oh. Thank you, Kenta. This is honestly a good area to collect points, guys. We are 6 points short for world record right now. And we can use those bombs, for example, to get rid of the baddies and the meanies. 1. And now, world record, guys. We beat everyone that did runs on this game. Oh, okay. That's okay. That's okay. It's all according to plan. How far can we take it? That's the bigger question. Gotta wait him out, and I guess the other one as well then, yeah. Might be that we just have a tight spot here. Ah, it works, it's all good. Man, I just wanted to do it for reasons, right? Okay. There we go. Nice. Thank you for the GGs, but we're going. We still got 3 lives left, so... Oh, wait, we're gonna stop there, right? Oh yeah, we got a bit of a little one situation again. Come on, dude. We don't have endless amounts of time, so... You better pack a punch, bro. Oh, he's struggling, he's struggling. At the same time, it's going, which is cool. Oh, that's cool. That's very good. Okay, that's fine, that's fine. If possible, I want to hit like 600 or something at least. Ah, that's our HP, the wise man. You know what? Let's see if we can get a crate. Just because... Yeah, there we go. Oh no, okay. We gotta do it from here. So first of all, second of all, third of all, we can dodge you for now, and there we go. Nice. Okay, we hit the 500, that's cool. We're gonna do all of this anyways, but now let's do the little diving part in the other parts of the cave. Okay, let's see. Okay, no, this one won't work. This one works. And there we go. Over here. And... Can I put... Ah, there we go. But there we go. Okay, no. We have too little energy to release him, but that's fine. Okay, out of the cave was a nice cave though. I like that the game has no time pressure on things. You can just go and enjoy it. Oh. Wait, we can... Oh. Yeah, I think I just bombed the guy. That's why we survived this one. Okay. We seen there was some gold down there. But I do have a feeling that in this case, it would just be better to let it go. Just like, try to go for the exit. Because we don't know about the intricacies of this level. Okay. But the big question is, where's the golden door then? Huh? So much for letting it go, alright? Ah! Nah. We gotta let it go. I know there was one point that was kinda crucial, but let's go on. Hey Luigi, how we doing? We're already deep in the runs and we already got some stuff in, so that's pretty exciting, not gonna lie. How's your day been so far, good sir? Are you already able to enjoy the weekend? Okay, there's a room with a life icon above it. I think we gotta clear here somewhere or another, otherwise... Oh, it won't allow us to go that route. Okay. Yeah, we can't go in, so... Maybe that's for later. That was one... Oh, come on, okay, well, you know what? That's not a big deal. We got bombs. Oh, we got bomb! Oh, yeah, but I don't want to do the same jump again now. Okay, but we got the 600 that I wanted, so I'm happy with that. But let's see if we can... Okay, no, we need to all three of them. We need to use all three of them, which is fine. Let's see. Okay, yeah, there was at least one. We're gonna bring one along. He just sent me his first edit of my WODs, and I love it. Ah, you have an editor? Really? That's crazy. Why do you have an editor already? But nice. Is it like to do like gameplay stuff and shit, or? Sick, Luigi. You're going full in, it seems. Aha, there's a ring, which just gave us a good amount of money. Yes, sir. Wouldn't it be exciting to see what's in the shop? I agree, guys. It would be. Oh, yes. We can buy a life. And let's buy the higher jump. It might be useful. It costs nothing. And maybe the feather, so we drop slower. Wanted to try it for a moment. Ah, nice. You gotta show me. I'm really interested to see what people made out of your WODs, you know? There's so many ways of doing cuts and reels, so that sure is exciting, in it. My man said in it. My man said Bruder. He turned to German. Who gang Gott. Hakentruppe Gott. You know what? We take it. Oh, we can reach. If we can reach, we can preach. Is there a hidden toggle? Huh? Doesn't seem like it. We're just trying to see. I'm not sure if we can land down there, so let's go slowly. Oh, he had the which means there's something. I'll send it in stream and let me know what you guys think. Sure, I'd love to. I'm gonna do that after this run is over. No, I can't do that after your run is over because I don't want to do it on stream. That would be like, you know, it's a personal stuff. If people want to join the Discord and watch it, I'm fine with that, but I don't want to put your personal stuff on stream display. That's not very sportsmanship-like, is it? In it. Not what I wanted, but we take it. Mouse. 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 There we go. Huh? That was the pro strat, guys. But I want to check this out. What's in here? Oh, we can't go in or what? Yeah, we can't go in. Oh, no. Never mind. Ah, okay. No issue at all now. Now we got the key. So much to collect here as well, so don't mind me if I do. Also, let's check if this is something for the kid to do, right? Yeah, I think we would have needed that box up there. So, but there's still another box, isn't there? Yeah. Me. So let's check that out. Let's go up there first. I think that might be the key to it, though. Let me check. Yes! No! Never mind. Let's go. Let's go on. Okay. This looks like... What? Oh, we're not allowed to touch the spikes on top, which makes sense. There we go. Can I get little boy? Yes. Little boy, yes. Please. Okay, it seems like our little boy ran out of money. We cannot do little boy here. Gotta collect some little boy first. That came out wrong. Never mind. Never mind what I just said. Oh, there we go. We just got some little boy energy. Can you get 1k points? Hey, Fripple, we're on it. There we go. Uh-huh. Okay, so we need to get up there, bringing a crate with us. So we gotta get a crate first. Huh? See? Easy. We're gonna use the crate, of course, to also obliterate everything that stands before us. And you know what? Let's get those first, because we'll continue on anyways. This is where it gets spicy, huh? Place it in the proper position. Well, how much? 759 to 760. Okay, was less than I expected, but hey, it is what it is. But Frippo got the right mindset. Too bad. There we go. Ripple going for the Peppo fight. Hippo fight. Oh, what? This ass kicked us. Oh, okay. But now we know. It's not new to us now. We know. Oh, game over. That's the end of our run. The old world record for this game was 416 and we made 782. It's not double, but it's an improvement. JEK, that's my initials. So we're gonna go with JEK. I'm happy. I think that was an alright run. I think that was an alright run. Nice. Let's just see if there's another scoreboard cycle, so we leave it be. Yeah. 782, nice. I'm happy.